At Land Rover Huntington, we believe your vehicle buying experience should be easy, convenient, and customized to your needs. That's why we created our Remote Start program, so you can begin the process online from anywhere, at any time you choose. It's easy. First, select your vehicle from the available inventory on our website. Then click Build My Deal. You will be asked for basic information, such as how many miles you plan to drive in a year and your zip code. Then hit Continue. If you have a trade-in, you will enter the year, make, and model and answer questions about its condition and options. Press Continue to see if you qualify for any incentives. Now, on to payments. You will see a selection of payment options such as lease or financing, each of which can be customized to fit your needs. Learn about auto protection options that are available. Lastly, you can apply for financing, begin your paperwork online, place a deposit, or save your information for later. At any point, feel free to contact us if you'd like our assistance completing the process remotely. We are also happy to schedule an appointment in our showroom so you may work with one of our Land Rover brand specialists in person. Customize your experience and do things your way with Remote Start at LandRoverHuntington.com.